Last night, I got a statement signed by Sorrow.
Sorry at law.
Sorry
Okay.
and
At law, yeah.
at law. Yeah. On behalf of the Judicial Service.
Yeah.
And to all intents and purposes, I read it as a threat to the Ghanaian media. And I think that that statement should be withdrawn as quickly as possible. It's an affront to the right of free expression. That statement is inimical to the development of a free and independent media in Ghana, and it should be withdrawn as quickly as possible. I am worried by the fact that the whole judicial service has to employ the services of an external lawyer to issue a statement. To issue a statement. What is the judicial secretary doing? If the judicial service has to issue a statement, why is the statement not coming from the judicial secretary? That statement which was issued yesterday is unprecedented. I've never seen it before. It has never been done in our history. And I wonder what the true motives are. You understand? Besides, that statement betrays the lack of communication skills in the judiciary. I finished reading that statement, and I'm wondering, what is the statement talking about? What conduct amounts to contempt? What conduct amounts to holding the judiciary in unfavorable light and so on? I'm totally confused. That statement tells us absolutely nothing. Indeed, the only purpose that statement serves is to warn the media to be careful about media commentary and publishing media commentary. Now, me, I'm not a lawyer. I didn't go to law school like Alhaji Yusuf Hussaini and the rest of them. But what I know as a journalist is that when the courts have made decisions, the people of Ghana are entitled to criticize those decisions. Decisions of the court are not decisions of God. Decisions of the court are subject to criticism. And indeed, only last week, I was reading criticisms of our sitting president of the Supreme Court in a certain case, where our sitting president makes the point that the court was wrong in law, and that the court had no business coming to the conclusions that it came. That is within his rights as a lawyer and as a citizen of Ghana. Indeed, one of the cardinal principles that must be upheld by our judiciary and everybody is the principle of equality of citizens. It's a cardinal principle. The principle of equality of citizens and so on recognizes that those who sit on the Supreme Court, the judges and so on, have a certain responsibility. The Constitution gives them the power of arbitration. The Constitution gives them the power to interpret the Constitution itself and so on. That is their privilege. You understand? But they act on behalf of the citizens of Ghana. Without the citizens of Ghana, that Supreme Court has no power. The powers they exercise are the powers of the people of Ghana. And if they exercise the powers of the people of Ghana, why can't the people of Ghana comment on their decisions? The people of Ghana are entitled as of right to praise and to criticize any of the judicial institutions in our country. And this attempt to threaten us will not wash. Look, the current dispensation was fought for by citizens. Why? Some time ago, we had national public tribunals which existed outside the judicial system. Their decisions were not subject to review even by the Supreme Court and so on. The people of Ghana, the progressive forces of Ghana and so on, came together and fought for this dispensation, fought for this democratic dispensation which empowers Supreme Court judges and other judges to sit in arbitration and to interpret the laws of our country. Those who fought, some of them died in defense of the freedom of expression. Some of them died in defense of the rule of law and so on. And we will be guided by the spirit of that struggle for freedom. Nobody can intimidate us. Nobody can frighten us into silence. And if they want to send us to prison for speaking out in defense of justice and the right of free expression, they are welcome to do so.